Hello children, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. Let's start with our subject EVS. Today we will be discussing the book exercise of chapter 7 Places of Worship. Let's start. Class, let's start with the exercises given on page number 46. Everyone should write down the date and classwork. Okay. Let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, take the correct option. 4 options are given to us for every question. We have to choose the correct one. Let's start. India is a land of dash religions. One religion, two religions, many religions, or no religions. India is a land of many religions. I will write down many in the blank as well as. Next, which of these is a place of worship? Gurudwara, bank, post office or school? Out of all of them, which is a place of worship? Obviously, Gurudwara. We'll put a tick on Gurudwara. C part. The Muslims go to dash to pray. Where do Muslims go to pray? Temple, mosque, church or Gurudwara? The Muslims go to mosque to pray. Next, take the odd one out. Hindu, Sikh, Muslim, church. See, Hindu, then Sikh. Okay? Hindu follow Hinduism, Sikh follow Sikhism. Muslim follow Islamism. And church is the name of a place of worship. So these are the people who follow the religion and this is a place of worship. So this is the odd one out. The Sikhs have dash gurus. How many gurus? 2 gurus, 5 gurus, 10 gurus or 15 gurus. They have 10 gurus. Now let's read next question. Next question says, match the columns A, B and C using different color pencils. Column A is given, column B is given and column C is given. Column A has the name of gods, column B has the name of the places of worship and column C has the name of the religion, name of the people who follow the religion. Right? Okay. So we'll take different colors. Take your different colors. Let's start. Allah. In which place of worship do we pray Allah? In a mosque. So I'll do it like this. Now I'll take the another one. Who goes to mosque? Muslims go to mosque. So I'll match mosque with Muslim. Okay, children? Next, Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is worshipped in temple. So we'll match it with temple. And who goes to temple? Hindus go to temple. So we will match here it with Hindu. Next, Jesus Christ. Where is Jesus Christ worshipped? Jesus Christ is worshipped in a church. And who goes to church? Christian go to church. Next, Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak is worshipped in Gurudwara. And who goes to Gurudwara? Sikh go to Gurudwara. I hope everyone has done this. Okay. Okay, so now let's start with the next page, page number 47. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, fill in the blanks. Every religion has its own place of worship, right? हर एक religion की अपनी place of worship है. So every religion has its own place of worship. Next, Muslims go to dash to pray. Where do Muslims go to pray? Muslims go to mosque. What is the spelling of mosque? M-O-S-Q-U-E. Mosque. Next, dash is the holy book of Sikhs. What is the holy book of Sikh called? Guru Granth Sahib. G-U-R-U, Guru. G-R-A-N-T-H, Granth. Sahib, I will write downside. S-A-H-I-B, Sahib. So Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book. So D part says, all religions teach us to be, they teach us to be good. G-O-O-D, good. Next, we should respect all the, what should we respect? All the religions. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-N-S. Okay. Now question number 4. Answer the following. Both of them have been done in your fair notebook, right? We have done them in the fair notebook. So we will simply write down in notebook. You can write down in all the blanks in notebook. Because we have done them in the notebook, we will not do them again and again. Alright, children? Okay. Next. Hot questions. What is the priest called in a temple? What do we call a priest who is in a temple? We call them Pandit. P-A-N-D-I-T, Pandit. What do we call the priest in a mosque? We call him Maulvi. M-A-U-L-V-I, Maulvi. What do we call the priest in a Gurudwara? We call him Granthi. G-R-A-N-T-H-I, Granthi. And what do we call the priest in a church? We call him Father. Okay, now let's do the B part. Name a famous temple. Any famous temple you can write down. There are many temples. We can write down Akshardham temple. It is in Noida, right? A-K-S-H-A-R-D-H-A-M, Akshardham. T-E-M-P-L-E, temple. Next is famous church. We will write a famous church in Delhi, that is Sacred Heart Cathedral. S-A-C-R-E-D, Sacred. H-E-A-R-T, Heart. Cathedral. C-A-T-H-E-D-R-A-L. Sacred Heart Cathedral. Mosque. We'll write that also. A famous mosque in Delhi is Jama Masjid. J-A-M-A, Jama. M-A-S-J-I-D, Masjid. Next, famous Gurudwara. We can write down famous Gurudwara in Delhi, Bangla Sahib. B-A-N-G-L-A, Bangla. S-A-H-I-B, Bangla Sahib. Okay? So children, we have discussed the book exercise of chapter 7, Places of Worship. I hope you have done it. Thank you for watching my video and stay tuned with me for more such videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.